If you got a Toyota Tundra, you're going to have to replace or fix this molding. They call it a drip molding. It happened on my 2007, and I just got a 2020, and it happened on it. But I'm going to give you a close-up view what it looks like. This is my 2007. And I took it through a car wash. If you're going through a car wash, it's going to blow it off. If you can see, I'm going to zoom in on this. This stuff is just laying in there. It's clamped down on the front and the back. And right in the middle is nothing holding it. So I'm going to move this leaves out the way, and I'm going to zoom in and just let you see. As you can see, it just fits right in there. And it's going to come off if you know exactly what I'm talking about if you got a Tundra. So I'm going to show you what I did. I bought some new ones for my 2007. They worked pretty good for a while, but I'm going to show you the modifications I did to keep this thing to stay on there. First, what you want to do is just take the molding off, or the drip mold, whatever they want to call it. And then what you want to do is just get some alcohol wipes. And you want to clean this really good. So you can get these alcohol wipes anywhere. You could buy them, get them from HEB or Walmart, whatever. But what you want to do is clean it with alcohol. You want to clean all the dirt and stuff off. Because the reason I'm doing this, because I'm going to get some of that double-sided tape. And it works great. The double-sided tape. So as you can see, I'm cleaning the molding now. And this is the old molding that I've had. I had it sitting in my garage for a while. So you get some double-sided tape. Once you get the double-sided tape, you can cut off some strips. I'm going to put about 4 of them on mine, and I double mines up. So you cut 4, or you could take the whole piece and just go all the way down. But I'm going to put like 4 or 5 little patches. And I've done mines like that for about 2 months now. And I've been through the car wash maybe 3-4 times, and it haven't come off anymore. You see as I got it. Or you could take the whole thing and just run it all the way across. As you can see, I'm doubling it up. I put a piece on there, and then I put a piece on top of each one of those. And it's double-sided tape, and it works well. If you guys ever use any double-sided tape, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Once you get it on there, you just want to press it down evenly and put a little pressure on it, and you good. You can let it sit for an hour. The longer it sit, the better, because the sun's going to heat it up, and it's going to become like glue anyway. So you just press it down. And like I said, I've been through the car wash 3-4 times after I did this, and it never came off again. So I did my 2020 like this also. And if you want to purchase any of these drip moldings, look in the description below. Thank you and have a great day.